You're King Fragrance, and today we have a shipping company named Islandwide Express. I decided to use this company to bring in some perfume oils, and they did me great service. So I decided to give them a shout out. So big up Islandwide Express. I could have chat to them on WhatsApp in a real time, quick and fast response. Yeah, they did promise that they can actually deliver packages straight to my door, but because of the first time I use them, but it actually want to try to see what the outlets would be like. They sent my package through Knutsford because there wasn't an outlet in the area that I was at the time, and they actually paid the Knutsford fee. It's a big deal. So shout out to Islandwide Express. You understand? The service shot. And remember everybody, get your King Fragrance perfumes. Alright? Today we are up there. Tom Ford, Black Arkin.